Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to starting Revit 2023 or 2023. Okay, here's the icon of Revit, so we can double click on it. It's the new one, so I'm going to double click on it. So we are going to wait for it. So this is the home window. So let us see what are these when we open it. Okay, so there are recent files. When you put recent files, some files that you worked on, it will appear, but they are not recent because this is the new Revit. I have the old one that I worked with the recent files, so the recent files will be shown, okay, but not in this one, because when we save a project or a file, the recent files will come to here. If you created a model, it will come to here. If you created a family, it will come to here. So maybe you will ask, what is the models? What is the families? The models are the projects that you do and model in 3D, like a house and structural project and many things like plumbing, blah blah blah. Okay, so what about the families? Families are like a furniture or items, okay, like TV or curtain or like a desk. They are families. Like you can say to them furnitures, but they are not furnitures, because families are much wider than that. Because yeah, it includes furniture, but it includes many things like trusses. This is a truss. So now you have an idea. Okay, so let's go to see what's this. This is the models. So if you have a file of models or plans, let's say, you can go open a Revit model file. So let's us click on this and it will go to the file. So we can go to the desktop and we can select the file we had saved it. Okay, but for now I don't have any files. What is the new? You can create a new model file. You click on it and we can see new project. We are going to start a new project and a new model, or creating a new plan. Okay, we have imperial. What's imperial? Imperial is like inch and feet. Okay, so what about metric? Metric is like millimeters and meters or centimeters. Okay, so this is none. You can just create a template file for yourself and browse it and go like this. Like you can create it or select from here. Okay, so I don't want to select from the browse. I'm going to select it from here. Like I'll go with metric because in Iraq they use metric, and I'll click on architectural template. Create new project or project template. You want to create a project or you want to create a project template. Till now I didn't know the difference between them. That's funny, but they are doing the same thing, I think. Okay, maybe this is the template. You create a template for a project. Maybe you are creating a template like a sheet and something like this, and you are going with this. But if you want to create plans, you will go with this one. And there's a help tab. You can click on this and it will go to directly to help home. Okay, help home of the Autodesk. Okay, because Revit is owned by Autodesk. So if you have internet, you can ask for help from here and see these things. Okay, you can use what are these like this. Okay, let's go back and let me close this. I'm going to cancel this for now. And again, for the families, we have open a family file. You did it previously, or you will create a new Revit family like this, and you will select a template. Okay, for it. For now, I'm not going to go into families. Okay, when we reach it into advanced level, we can go to this one. Okay, So what about recent files? Recent files, I told you the recent files will be added when you create it. And what about auto disk documents? I don't have any documents. When you sign in, you can see your documents that save it. So what's new? What's new will bring you to what's new in Revit 2023. Okay, in which things it's new. It's measure in 3D, control print order, data exchange, structural analysis modeling for beam coordination, electrical analysis, MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Elements remain connected. Okay, many things. So I am not going to in detail because you are new in this program. So I always advise that you start with the new program so you will be adapt to it. So you'll not. It's same like the Revits are same. But they changed some places of icons or buttons. Okay, so online help. You want an online help? You can come to here. Okay, let me close. And community forum, you have a question, you can go to the Revit architecture forum. They have many forms. For example, you can go to this. Did you know we have and wall reveal wrong orientation? You can go to it and see. Okay, but I can't see it for now. I'm not going. Yeah, we can go it and we can see. Okay, and ask a question. Customer support. If you are a customer, you bought this, of course, so you can have a support from them. Okay, customer support. We will guide you to the right auto disk support agent. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to show you another thing, which are let's go with creating a new file, a Revit model file. Okay, I'm going to create it, and let's see. This is metric architecture, so I'm going to click OK. So it's going to open. Okay, you might see something like this. What is this? Well, you'll be like, there are many stuffs, but believe me, they are very easy and simple. Okay, so if you want to go back to the home page, you can go to here. You can open your Revit home. I'm clicking on it. I'm going to home page. When I'm going to click on it, I'm going to the file or the working area. Okay, this is the working area. So now let's see the shortcut of it. It's Control D. I always suggest that to memorize the shortcut. It's Control D, Control D. I'm pressing Control D, so it will shift between them. Okay, so let's start from here. What are these? These are save and open and print and PDF and dimensions, like dimensions. This is 3D, this is text, this is sections, this is thin lines, and many things. You can click on it and you can have it. This is called quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar. So when we want something quick, so we will not hover on these or search in these things, we will go directly to here. Okay, so you know that. And another thing is that this is file menu. When we click on it, we see this is new, open, save, save as. This creates a new project, family, or conceptual mass, title block, or annotation symbol. Or you can open a cloud model, project, family, Revit family, building components. I'm not pressing on this. See, I'm just going to this and only it goes by itself. This is EFC. This is EFC options, sample files. Okay, open a Revit sample file, but I'm not going in depth, so we are just going to look at it like we are like a visitor. For example, if you want to buy a house, I'm just showing you. If I'm the owner of the house, I'm showing you that, yeah, this is the bathroom, this is the bedroom, yeah, just showing. You don't have to know all of them. so you are just keeping in mind. So you're experiencing the house. This is saving you the file, and save as you want. Save it as a new file, or you want to save it in for example, what's the difference between save and save as? Save, you save it in a place, but you made a little change and you want save it but in a different file, not like a previous. So you will go to this one, save as, and you will save it. And export, you can export it to CAD like DWG, DXF, many things, and PDF, and many things like FBX for going to 3D, for 3ds Max. This is for AutoCAD, this is for PDF, this is for images and animations, this is options, and this is schedules or rooms area report. Or you can save EFC. What's used for this? I know this one for EFC is used when you have an older version and your friend has a new version of Revit. Your friend can't send you the file of Revit. If it sends you, it will not be opened on your old version of Revit. So he should go with this EFC. I hope Revit will solve this issue, but till now it's not solved. Okay, but the print one, you can print it when you have a printer at home, and close, Control W, close it, and it will go to here. You close the file, you see. But we are going to again to this area, metric architecture template. Okay, I'm going okay. So Control W will close it, you see, Control W. Or I can go with this one, but I can't see anything because I didn't create a new file. So Control D, and I can go to here, and let's go with this one. Okay, so now we note what are these. This was file menu, this is quick access toolbar. We have this here, save, but we want a quick thing, like I'm going to here quickly, I'm going to save it, not going to here and save it. It's very tedious, makes you tired. And we have tabs. There are tabs, context tabs. This is called context tabs, but must only keep it in your mind, it's tab. We have architecture, structure, steel, precast, systems, insert, annotate, analyze, massing, and site, collaborate. You can collaborate with your friend and work on the same file in one place, okay, at one time. View, manage, add-ins. You can add like plugins like this. Modify. You can modify these. We'll go one by one, so don't worry what are these. Okay, so this is the ribbon. This is all is ribbon. This is all is ribbon. Okay, all is ribbon. This is tab. This is all ribbon. And if you go to here, structure, this is all ribbon again, same as these. Again, they are all ribbon. What are these? They are icons. Icon. Okay, what is this? This is properties. This is properties. You have properties, you will change it from here. When you select a wall, you can change the type of it, you can make it bigger, larger, smaller, the color of it. And what is this project browser? You have floor plans. You can go to the level 1, it means ground floor, first floor, or to the site. You have ceiling plan, and you have ceiling plan of level 1 and level 2. You have elevations. You can have sections too, but it's not added until we will add a section to it. And we have a legends, and we have schedule and quantities, and sheets. We can create a sheet, and so it will be printed, so we will hang it on in the exhibition hall. And we have families and groups and Revit links. Okay, this was for it. We can like click on it, double click, it will go to the level 2, but I'm closing it. What about this? This is views tab. It's same, like it's tab. This is a tab, another tab. This is context tab. This is views tab. What about here? This is working area or view area. view area. What about this? This is the name of the program, of course, Autodesk Revit 2023. This is project name. This is third project, and it is in the level 1. Yeah, it's level 1. So what about this? This is Autodesk account, and this is seeking for help. You can press Fn, and Fn1, it will go to help, okay, for helping, or F1 on keyboard and it will go to the help. F1 on your keyboard, F1. Okay, we have navigations here, but it's not important for now. This is a view control bar. This is, we can scale them, scale the sheet that we want or the plan, and make it a detail, make it extra detail, or no details, or medium details. And this is sun and shadows, cropping the views. We can select how much we have. So we are not going a lot into this for now, but later on we will go. This is the status bar. It tells you what to do. Click to select, tap for alternates, control to add, shift to unselect. Okay, so now we have this one, and this is it. This is for today's lecture or today's tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.